So this is the wrap-up of the live market open for Monday, October 19th. We had Chinese GDP released earlier. It came out at the Goldilocks level of 6.9, just a bit above expectations, just below last time. We had with it a few other releases. We had better retail sales, which means more internal consumption, and weaker industrial production. All this is exactly, I think, what the Chinese government wants to show us: a rebalancing, less industry, more services, more internal consumption. Australian dollar liked it because it was a bit above expectations, but many people, of course, doubt the levels currently. Australian dollar is trading in a triangle, in a wedge at 73. It's a narrowing range. The wide range is 72 to 74. Now we have today the Bundesbank monthly report. Watch out for what they say about VW, about the crisis, how much this emission scandal could impact the German economy. We have then at 2 GMT, Lyle Brainard of the FOMC speaking. She has been very dovish in her previous talk. Let's see if she repeats that. And Jeffrey Lacker, which has been very hawkish, voting for a rate hike. Let's see if he sticks to that or not. And we have also elections in Canada. Probably a low-risk event. Probably we'll have a new government. I don't know who, but we'll have stability and certainty, which is good for the loonie, and it's priced into the markets. If we have something really messy, then it's bad for the loonie, but most probably things will be okay. And at night, midnight GMT, the RBA meeting minutes. Let's see if they talk about the Westpac mortgage rate hike, and if it hints about a rate cut, in Australia or not. Okay, looking at the charts, we have euro dollar at this wide head and shoulders pattern. 113.40 is the level to watch. On the top side, 114.60, 115. On the downside, 112.90 and 112.15. Pound dollar close to the highs, but still no cigar. Very clear separator of ranges here at 154. Dollar yen grinding back up towards 120 after the big fall last week to 118.10. Dollar CAD, above the lows, 129.10, 129 remains a separator. Aussie dollar we talked about, and New Zealand dollar here at 68.10, under the highs of the resistance at 69 and above support at 67.40. This is an important week that begins a bit sort of slow. We have later this week, important to note, Chinese GDP we had today, and Tuesday housing data from the US and Bill Dudley talks, and then it gets even busier with a rate decision in Canada on Wednesday, Thursday retail sales, and Thursday, of course, the ECB rate decision, which is set to dominate the headlines, the attention, the expectations, and of course, the outcome of this meeting will echo for quite some time. So thank you everybody for joining the show today.